Hello, welcome to the Oubel SMT, the professional manufacturer in China. Today I want to teach you how to operate the PCB unloader. Connect the power source, connect the air source, 0.5 is okay. Now connect the SMT with your front machine. We adjust the weights according to your PCB size by manual. 1 mm larger than your PCB size, then it's okay. This part is a push rod. We adjust it by manual. It should be in the middle of two rails. Now we adjust the PCB width of the magazine. After fitted wheel, don't forget to lock these 4 locks up and down. Manual put the empty magazine onto the top side. Okay, now power on. We enter into the touch screen main page. Click the enter and click the auto. Now the machine is auto mode. The trolley will go up automatically to pick up the empty magazine and move to the first floor, waiting for the first PCB board. The pitch can set on the touch screen 10, 20, 30, 40 mm according to your PCB thickness. After getting the half PCB signal from the front machine, PCB go to the unload front conveyor, push it into the magazine. This machine is using the Panasonic PLC SMT cylinder, and the larger size magazine were already updated, so it's very stable. Full magazine will go out through the downside. Oubel SMT also supports the customized machines. If you have any inquiries, welcome to contact us. Thanks.